students. Though although today is a holiday, but still I am sending you this explanation because we have to cover our syllabus, and this is the first poem of Flamingo. So I will give you an explanation of this poem, and then you have to read it at home also, so that you can have a clear understanding of the poem. So this poem, My Mother at 66, it has been written by Kamala Das. Kamala Das belongs to Kerala, and she belonged to Kerala, and she was also known as Madhavi Kutti, and she wrote in Malayalam and in English. She is a confessional poet. Confessional poet का मतलब ये होता है कि वो पोएट जो कि अपने अंदर के जितने अपनी जो पर्सनल लाइफ हो या अपने जितने भी इमोशंस एक्सप्रेशंस है वो बिना किसी इनहिबिशंस के आपके सामने रखता है. तो शी इज़ अ confessional poet and she writes about human relationships, emotions and all. So this poem is a very nice poem, and let me read the poem first. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me, doors open mouthed, her face ashen like that of a corpse, and realized with pain that she thought away and looked, but soon put that thought away, and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport's security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, worn, pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. So when I was reading this poem, you might have noticed something, that in this whole poem there is no full stop. Can you see? There is no full stop. So we can consider this poem as a single thought which came into the poet's mind and she put it on the piece of paper. So हम ये मान सकते हैं कि इस पोएम को एक सिंगल थॉट के रूप में हम ले सकते हैं, सिंगुलर थॉट के रूप में, ठीक है, क्योंकि इसमें कहीं पर भी क्या है, फुल स्टॉप्स नहीं है. ओके, सो अब कुछ लेट मी टेल यू द मीनिंग ऑफ सम डिफ़िकल्ट वर्ड्स. कॉर्प्स, कॉर्प्स क्या होती है? कॉर्प्स होती है लाश, डेड बॉडी. ओके, देन स्प्रिंटिंग, स्प्रिंटिंग मतलब भागना, रनिंग. देन वॉन, वॉन का नीचे मतलब दे रखा है कलरलेस. जब आप बीमार होते हैं तो आपके चेहरे के कलर उड़ जाता है, तो कलरलेस. एक मतलब पेन, दर्द. सो नाउ लेट मी एक्सप्लेन द पोएम. ड्राइविंग फ्रॉम माई पेरेंट्स होम टू कोचीन लास्ट फ्राइडे मॉर्निंग, आई सॉ माई मदर बिसाइड मी, डोर्स ओपन माउथ, हर फेस एशन लाइक दैट ऑफ अ कॉर्प्स. तो यहाँ पर जो पोइट है, जो कि कमला दास है, शी हैज़ कम टू हर पेरेंट्स हाउस. She has come to her parents' house, and now she is returning to Cochin, and she is driving to airport along with her mother, who is sitting beside her in a car. Now she is describing her mother who is sitting beside her in the car. Her mother is dozing. Dozing मतलब ऊँघना, जब आप आधी नींद में होते हैं. Open mouth, तो जब आप डोज करते हैं तो your mouth is open. So her mother is dozing and her mouth is open. Her face ashen like that of a corpse. उसका चेहरा कैसे लग रहा है उसकी माँ का? हर फेस इज़ लुकिंग लाइक ऐश कलर. ऐश जो होती है, राख होती है, जो कि कलरलेस होती है, तो उसकी माँ का चेहरा राख की तरह लग रहा है. एंड शी इज़ लुकिंग लाइक अ डेड बॉडी. तो अपनी माँ को एक डेड बॉडी से कंपेयर कर रही है. वाई शी इज़ कंपेयरिंग हर मदर टू अ डेड बॉडी? बिकॉज हर मदर इज़ वेरी ओल्ड एंड शी इज़ लुकिंग वेरी इल एंड शी डजंट हैव एनी एनर्जी लेफ्ट इन हर बॉडी. एंड रियलाइज्ड विद पेन दैट शी थॉट अवे and looked but soon put that thought away. अब पोइट जो है, शी इज़ फीलिंग वेरी सैड बिकॉज शी फील्स दैट हर मदर इज़ वेरी ओल्ड, एंड नाउ शी फील्स दैट शी कैन लूज़ हर बिकॉज नाउ शी इज़ वेरी ओल्ड. और जब हम ओल्ड होते हैं तो हम अपनी मौत के ज़्यादा नज़दीक होते हैं, तो वो जो दर्द होता है हमारे मन में अपने पेरेंट्स के लिए, वही दर्द किसके मन में आ रहा है? पोइट के मन में आ रहा है. सो नाउ शी वॉन्ट्स टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट हर सेल्फ फ्रॉम दिस थाट. Who wants to distract herself from this thought? Poet. She wants to distract herself from this thought. For distracting herself, what does she do? And looked but soon put that thought away, and looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. Now poet is looking out of the car, and what is she looking at out of the car? She is looking at young trees sprinting. Now there are trees outside the car, and आपको पता ही है, when we are sitting in a car or in a moving thing like a bus or a train, so all those things which are outside the car or the train, we feel that they are running in the opposite direction. So when she is looking out of the car, she feels that trees are running in the opposite directions. Then she describing one more. She is describing one more scene. The merry children spilling out of their homes. Merry mean happy. So children are always happy. They are full of energy. They are full of vitality. So children, they are very happy and they are spilling out of their homes. They are coming out of their homes in a very high speed because they are full of energy. Okay, now there is one more thing I would like to tell you, why poetess is describing these two scenes, trees sprinting and merry children spilling. ये क्वेश्चन पेपर में भी आता है, इसलिए क्योंकि जब वो कार में बैठी थी तो कार में क्या था, कार में सैडनेस थी, वो अपनी माँ को देखकर सैड थी, उसकी माँ बीमार लग रही थी और बूढ़ी हो गई थी। तो कार में जो इंसान बैठा है वो एनर्जी, लेस एनर्जी का एक तरीके से वी कैन से लेस एनर्जी का सूचक है। और जो बाहर जो चीज़ें दिख रही हैं, स्प्रिंटिंग ट्रीज और स्पिलिंग चिल्ड्रन, चिल्ड्रन स्पिलिंग आउट ऑफ देयर होम्स, दे आर सिंबल ऑफ एनर्जी। तो ये कॉन्ट्रास्ट दिखाने के लिए, टू शो द कॉन्ट्रास्ट, poet has used these two scenes. Okay, now but after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, now they have reached at the airport. We know that she has come to her parents home and now she is returning to Chennai, so they have reached at the airport. Now they are standing in a line for security check. Now in that line again she looks at her mother who is standing a few yards away from her. अब वो अपनी माँ को दोबारा देखती है सिक्योरिटी चेक में जब वो खड़े होते हैं, क्योंकि उसकी माँ उसको सी ऑफ करने आई है। तो poet again she looks at her mother and what does she feel? I looked again at her worn pale as a late winter's moon. Now she is saying that when I saw her mother again, her face was looking very pale and worn. Worn mean colorless. अब यहाँ पर there is an indication, there is a sign that maybe her mother is suffering from some kind of illness. That is why our poet is very concerned about her mother, though it is not clearly mentioned here, but we can make a guess. And she is comparing her mother to a late winter's moon. यहाँ पर क्या आ गया है, simile आ गया कि her mother has been compared to a late winter's moon. Late winter moon कैसे होता है? It is not very beautiful and it looks very dull. So her mother has been compared to late winter's moon and felt that old familiar ache. Again the same pain which she was feeling before, that pain again inflicts her. दोबारा से वही दर्द उसके दिमाग और दिल में आता है कि मैं अपनी माँ को खो दूंगी. My childhood's fear, वही दर्द जो कि उसको बचपन में भी डर लगता था. Because what happens when we are child, when our mother is not in front of us, we feel very afraid and we begin to cry. तो वही वाला childhood fear again comes to her mind and her heart. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. But she couldn't tell it to her mother because her mother might have become very sad on hearing this, that her daughter was caring for her, that her daughter was feeling a fear. So she did not tell her fear to her mother, and to show her mother that she is a happy person, what did she do? All I did was smile and smile and smile. She bade goodbye to her mother with a smiling face. So this in this poem we see a mother and daughter relationship, and we have this poem has been written from a daughter's point of view. The daughter is very concerned for her mother because her mother is getting older day by day and she is looking very old. So this shows that children are very concerned about their parents when their parents become very old. They don't want to share their feelings with their parents, but they have this fear in their mind that they can lose them one day. In this way this poem comes to an end, and tomorrow we will tomorrow we will discuss the question and answers. If you have any doubt you can ask me on WhatsApp. Thank you.